Find the perimeter of the shaded portion. This is the shaded portion. Perimeter of ABCD is given. ABCD is given as 64 meter. Okay. Now, next AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. It's given as AB, BC. This AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Now all the four sides are equal. It means it's a square. Okay. So if it is a square, ABCD is a square. So perimeter equals to 4 multiplied by sides. But it is given as 64. So side equals to 64 divided by 4 equals to 16. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA equals to 16. Now but AF and all these are given as 8 now. So we can mark this figure now like this. AF 8, FD 8, because this is 16 and this is 8. So remaining is 8. Now we have to find out the perimeter. Similarly this is 8 because it's already given in the problem. All these sides are equal. So 8, 8, 8. Now what is the perimeter then? 8 plus 8 16 plus 8 24 plus 8 32. 32 plus 16. This is 16. 32 plus 16 48.